Yeah, what's up, guys? It's Mr. Lester right here, aka the Mercy of Forest. Sometimes the market jimbo you, sometimes you jimbo the market. So today we're going to talk about the different type of broker and how they can affect your trading. So now let's talk about brokers. What are they, in case you don't know? Brokers are just like gain access to the foreign exchange market. They basically serve as middleman between you as a retail trader and the interbanks, which is the global market that allows you to trade foreign currency. So now there are different type of broker, regulated broker, non-regulated broker, but that's not what it is all about. We're talking about the broker based on the trading account. So let's start with number one. So we're talking about different type of brokers based on trading account. So the first one is the broker that will give you low spread but high commission. This broker, their spread is anywhere between 0 to 2 pips for major currency, but their commission, in terms of commission, for major pairs you might be paying anywhere from extra 1 or 2 pips to 3 to 5 pips for minor currency pairs. This means that even though you have a 2 pip spread or a 1 pip spread, the commission, if you are converting the commission to spread, it will be like an extra 2 pip, so making everything 3 pips for your major currency. But it is only the 1 pip spread that we show, while you are paying the extra 2 pips in commission. That means that the market will not fluctuate to go and eat your stop loss. It won't do that. So the advantage of this type of account is that during market volatility and news, there will not be any fluctuation to go and eat your stop loss because the spread is low. It's pegged between 0 to 1, sometimes 2 for USD based on the volatility, but 2 is very rare. So this is the first type of trading account. That's the advantage of a low spread account with high commission. The advantage simply allow you to take trades without worrying about volatility. There are cases where you put your stop loss, the spread will just expand and eat your stop loss, then the market will move in your direction. So with a low spread and high commission account, you don't have to worry about that anymore. But in terms of disadvantages, you are paying more in terms of more positions you open. From my experience, in a low spread high commission account, you can probably make a profit of $100 a day, but you end up paying $50 in commission based on your opening multiple positions, entering the market, leaving the market, entering the market, leaving the market. So those will accumulate to give you a very large sum of money. So that is the disadvantages of a low spread and high commission account. So now let's talk about the high spread low commission account. This account basically gives you zero commission. You can open one lot size, you're not paying anything as commission. You can open 0.01 lot size, you're not paying as commission. But the commission is in the spread. So the spread ranges from anywhere between 2 pips to 5 pips for major currency pair, and you can see some crazy amount of pair like 20 pips, 10 pips in the minor currency pair, depending on the time of the day. So now, what are the advantages of this account? The advantage of this account is that you can probably use it for flipping because you're not paying anything in commission. So you can open multiple positions if you want to flip your account. Based on the fact that you can open multiple positions, you're not paying for them, it is free. Just that your buy will take you at a higher price if you are buying, and your sell will sell you at a lower price. Apart from that, you are basically not paying for your lot sizes, it's free. And another advantage is that there is no hidden charges in terms of commission, since the same thing you pay for one lot size, the same thing you pay for 0.0 lot size. But what are the disadvantages? This account is very prone to market manipulation. in case of volatility news, the spread can just increase to like 20 to take you out and come back down slowly. So there's a tendency for the market to be manipulated and the spread increase and take you out or eat your stop loss or take profit. I don't think spread can increase and eat or take profit. So let's go to number 3, the leverage. Yeah, some brokers gives you 1 to 200 leverage and they stop there. Some give you 1 to 1000 and they stop there. Some give you 1 to 3000. I think I've seen a broker that have a leverage of 3000. So the broker with high leverage, they usually associate themselves with having high spread and no commission. I don't think they usually have commission. Yeah. So the broker with high leverage, they are associated with having high spread and they allow you deposit minimum amount, which is $10, $5, even $1. So they are good for flipping because they don't take commission. So if you want to flip, you need an account with high leverage and minimum deposit so that you don't deposit big amount and flip. No. So the next type is broker with low leverage. This broker usually use commission based trade and they have low spreads. Their spread is not as high as brokers that give you high leverage. They are more on the regulated broker side. Majority of them are regulated, meaning that your funds are secured with them. More on that later. So now, the low leverage broker, they usually allow minimum deposit of $100 and above. Sometimes you can deposit $10 on them. Minimum amount $100 and above. So I think they are good if you want to become serious in trading, where you know that okay, I have tried flipping, I have tried growing account, I have tried different things. Now I want to become serious. So you need a broker with low leverage and low spread and commission based so that you stop over trading, you trade smoothly, unlike with the high leverage account. So now the next part is broker based on withdrawal. How easy it is for you to withdraw from them. Some broker takes 1 week, some take days, some take hours. Some you can withdraw to your local bank currency, some you can withdraw to your crypto wallet. So different brokers have their preferred mode of withdrawal. Some you can withdraw to paper. Yeah, so that's one thing to check. How fast is the withdrawal? Then the most important thing before that is how easy can you access the customer care. So I will advise, even before creating an account with the broker, try to play around with the customer care service. How easy do they answer you? So a broker that the customer care answer you fast tends to be more reliable because they can assist you with issue for verification or for withdrawal or for deposit. So if you have an issue, you can just ask them how fast is the withdrawal, how easy it is to deposit. You can ask them about that before even starting with the broker, before putting your details in the broker, before paying any money, before depositing. You can confirm all that. So if you're a beginner that is just starting forex, I would recommend you go for a low commission account with probably medium or high spread. This will enable you play around with the different lot sizes. This will enable you to take as many trades as possible because the only way you can get experience is by taking trades. So you don't have to pay for your trades. So the fact that you are not paying for your trade is a win-win for you and the broker. You can take as many trades as possible to develop that experience you have, and you're not paying commission. But if you've been trading for a while and you're into smart money trades with 2 to 5 p stop loss, then taking a high spread account will do you no good, as the price can easily fluctuate. So I recommend you go for a commission based account. This is where you pay commission for your loan sizes, but you are at peace that spread will not increase and take you out. So there's this peace of mind you get when you pay for commissions, because this spread is not easily manipulated. So in terms of broker to use, here are my recommendation. Personally, I've used just TV broker ever because I don't really like changing. Light Forest. I use Light Forest because they usually have low spread and their commission is high commission, but the withdrawal is quick, the deposit is quick, the customer care service, I really haven't had any issue that require me to meet customer care service, and they can deposit in my local currency, unlike the rest I'm going to mention. Light Forest allow me to do that. So for my next broker, it is Coiners. I actually love this broker so much because I was like, wow, I'm not paying for commissions. It was something shocking to me, like, wow. So for Coiners, they usually have high spread, but it's not that high. For Euro USD, I can tell you it's between 1 and 2 pip spread. So unlike most high spread broker that is up to 4. For Coiners, the spread is not that wide, but you are not paying any commission. And they allow crypto deposit. You can deposit in crypto, and the withdrawal usually takes 24 hours. The deposit is a bit quicker. And for Coiners and Light Forest, they both allow leverage up to 1,000. And their minimum deposit is $10. You can deposit as little as $10 for both of them. So the next broker is a more of a big boy broker. So the next broker is a regulated broker, which is IC Market. IC Market usually have high deposits. You can't deposit less than $200. So this means that now you are serious about trading. You don't want to be trading, flipping to withdraw and chop your money, chop the money, you are broke again. So now you're serious about growing account. So the minimum deposit is $200 for IC Market, and they have low spread, they have low leverage, and the withdrawal and deposit is very stressful. But let me when I say stressful. So because of how stressful it is to withdraw and deposit, you'll be serious. You want to trade your account long term, and thought of withdrawing to spend your money will not be there. So that's it for my recommendation. I'll probably drop the link in the description, and please do it to subscribe and like this video, and get ready for more content. I'm here to stay, guys. Peace.